Hi viewers, this is Dr. Gunamandjana and you are welcome to our videos on data science. In this video, we will be covering the implementation of the data science using R program, and also we will be implementing using this Anaconda 3 platform. Right. For this, what we need to do, if you remember in our previous video, we discussed about how to install this R in our Anaconda environment. Again, I am refreshing your memory. So you just go to the Anaconda, just go to the start here. In the start, you just go to the Anaconda 364-bit. There you can see the Anaconda prompt. Just click the Anaconda prompt. Okay. Once you click the Anaconda prompt, then and before that you have to go to the D drive. Okay. In this Anaconda prompt, click the Anaconda prompt. Then you go to the D drive, D colon, enter. Then go to the folder cd Anaconda 3. So all are lower cases, nothing to worry. Then there you have to install all lowercase. Remember because of the typing first letter it is taking capital letter, but all are lower cases. Conda space install space hyphen c space r hyphen kernel. So just enter there. It will try downloading everything and ask you to proceed. If you say yes, it proceed and install everything for you. Right. Once it is installed on completion, you have to restart and you in the new you will try to find. I will show you after restarting what will happen. I will show you. So you can see it here, and in the new, once you click it here, it will appear something like that. Say comment here. So here is the new. You know it. In the new, once you click it here, this R will appear. This R will appear, and once you click the R, then you can go for something like that. Some folder it will appear like this. There you can give a name, training data science using R in Anaconda, like this, right? So now you are welcome to our R program. So as I told you that this R program is nothing difficult, but initially you have to know some basic commands and how to work on these things. First I tell you the syntax how to do it. Suppose I declare a variable myString and assign that the hello world, the first program. So how do you do that one? So you put it this hello world assigned to myString. You can see less than, and this is the arrow mark we say it. Okay. So this hello world left, it just put the assignment to the myString. It is just equivalent to equal to sign, right? So print myString. So shift enter. So the first output it is coming hello world. You can see it here, right? Suppose I want to create a vector. Suppose I want to create a vector. So C is for creating a vector. C, then what is the elements? That will be under single quotation like red, comma, green, comma, yellow. So all the things you put it there, single quotation, double quotation, whatever you put it there, that is not a problem there. So then that is you created a vector here that assigned to the apple. So when you print apple, so it is coming the elements of this vector red, green and yellow. Fine. So similarly you can create a list also. So list of create, then 253 comma 21.3 sign. So these are the list containing, these are the elements. Okay. So then that assigned to list 1. When you print this list 1, print list 1. So first it is coming, this is the 253, second one it is coming 21.3, and third one it is coming sign up, something like that, a function sign x, right? So then you create a matrix. So for this matrix, so matrix, then C, A, B, C, B, B, A, like that you put it. Number of rows I put it 2, and number of column I put it 3, and it is the by rows it is 2. So in that case that I assign to M and print M, so it is creating a 2 by 3, 2 number of rows, 3 number of columns. I told you that 2 rows and 3 columns. So the elements are A, B, C, B, A, like this, right? So if you create an array, so in that case you put array and the name is C, create green, yellow, and dimension is 332. So then you print, when you print A, so it is coming green, yellow, green, yellow, like that all things it is appearing, right? So are you getting me? So these are things you can do it here like this. Then you create a vector, same thing you can create a vector. So I assign it to the apple color. So green, yellow, red, all these things, these are the vectors I created there. Then create a object. So factor apple, that is equal to factor of apple colors. So this will create and you can see the output print factor apples, all the things it is coming there. Then create the how to create the data frame, how to create a data frame. So okay, so now how to create a data frame. You do it like this. So suppose data dot frame, that I am putting it here. In this frame I am putting gender is equal to creating male female, like that, and height I am putting this comma, and weight is equal to this comma, and age is equal to this thing. And what is the data frame I that means I am creating a data frame. This is the data frame that I put it at the BMI, maybe body mass index, something like that. BMI I put it there, right? Then print BMI. So see the data. First one is male female, that is the gender. It is under gender is coming. Under height it is coming 152, 171 and 165, like that it is coming. And weight it is coming 81, 93, 78, and age it is coming 42, 38 and 26. Clear? So you are successfully able to create a data from the data frame, right? So similarly, the assignment using equal to sign also it is possible. So how you do that one? Suppose I want var dot 1 which is equal to c0 1 2 3, it is also possible. And var 2, this is the assignment operator, left arrow c learn r, and all the things you can create it there. Okay, then you print var 1, print var 2, like that. So all the things it is coming 0 1 2 3 whatever you created initially. This is the var 1, that is the assignment operator, or you can both are same, it will work, right? No problem. Then suppose I created variable var underscore x and assign this value hello, and cat the class of variable, if you put it, what is the class? It is a character. Okay, hello, it is a character. And how the class of variable is numeric. Now if you put it cat, and now the class of variable is I think is class x. All the things you can do here. Now let us go for how do we read the files from this CSV file or from the Excel sheet. Okay, now suppose we have a file like diabetes.csv. That file you download from this Kaggle and you upload here. In this here I have already uploaded. If you see here in the left hand side, diabetes in the home page, diabetes abcd, you can see abc diabetes dot CSV file, it is there already there, it's fine. So now what do we do it here? Then how do you assign that one? Let us see. So yeah, just 1 minute. So read.csv and file is equal to diabetes.csv. Then that I assign to df. Now while you access df is coming the pregnancy 0 or 1, yes or no, like that. Glucose and blood pressure, what is the skin thickness, what is the insulin, body mass index, and diabetes, what is the pedigree function, age, outcome, all the things, all the data you can see, check it here, right? Now suppose I want to see the head of the df, the first 5 lines you want to see it here. Then you can see first 5 or 10 whatever things you want, that you can see head of df also, you can see all this head is coming. So similarly, suppose I want to assign something as Jane, Paul, Mark, and their score this, and that I assign to df1. And if you run this df1, so all the name and score is also coming in the format. Then if you want to see the dimension of these things, so dim df1, so it is coming 4/2. Suppose you want to know the dimension of this one also, then what you do, dim df, right? Same thing you can do it here, dim df1 and dim df, you can do it there also. So then number of rows you want to put it n row, similarly n column df1, number of rows column, because it is small one, you can see here. So df1, if you want to 1 2 2 na, injecting na at the first second row, what is the meaning of that I am telling, and 1 to 2 of the second column. So this is the first column, this is second column, 1 and 2 here I am assigning not any value, that means no data is available. Suppose that as is not available, Jen is not available, remaining data will be there as it is, that is also possible. So each dot na df1, if you want to see, so these two cases there is no data available, that's why it is calling true, or remaining it is showing false, right? So table, from this table, each na df1 either is yes, false is equal to 6 and true is equal to 6, yes. So 6 cases data is there and 2 cases data is not there, so right, that you can get it there. D1 not complete cases fd, all the things also this you can put it there. then main dot df underscore, this is also not available, df1 score na. So all the things, all these function you can run it on one by one and you can put it here. Now suppose na dot omit, from this data what is the na you have given, just I want to omit na data assigned in new df. So if you run this df, so what is the data containing this na, those two lines is deleted here, right? Similarly, suppose you want to create something c1 2 3 4 5 6 and assign to x, and c assign to y, and c bind xy. Using the c bind also I can bind and xy, you see x and y, but the number of elements will be same here and there, right? Then if you see the class of the c bind xy, so it is showing it is matrix, it is the class is matrix, it is in the form of a matrix, right? So class c bind x matrix, then attach empty cars. Suppose this is a database, it is there already there, default database is there. So attach empty cars. Now row names empty cars to null, like that. If you see the head of the empty cars, that empty cars, you can see the entire data it is available here. So if you go for the mean of the mpg that you assign to this mpg head one, so this is possible, you can run this one. All this formula you can add. So if you want to print the data from mpg bias, mpg variance, all the things also you can also go for that one. Suppose you want to create something, row name of empty car, if you assign to null, and mpg had to bias and variance, all the things you can put it here using this formula, and you will say, you'll get about running these things, you get the mpg, it is coming this one, bias, and mpg variant 2 is also coming, this mpg ss2 is equal. Then how do you go for the simple linear regressions using this, using R? Say suppose I go for a mpg weight and data is equal to empty cars. So mpg weight data is equal to empty car. So I am going for a linear model, and that I store it as assigned to mpg underscore single linear regression. Okay, simple linear regression. Okay, then summary of the simple linear regressions and coefficients. If you see here, the what is the number of estimates and the standard error and t values and probability, all the things it is also showing, right? So similarly, if you want to predict something like that one, so data dot frame w2 is equal to this one, this is the, against this I want to predict this value, the prediction value is coming this and this is also there. What are the things you are doing using this python, the same work also you can do using this R program. That is the things I want to say. Okay, here also I can see what is the coefficients and everything we can calculate using this thing, and single linear regressions, what is the mean value and pair value, all things also you can calculate here. And one more thing is that you can go for all the type of graphs, right? So suppose I have given x-axis, I am putting 21 62 like that, and this I want to plot it, and levels, this London, New York, etc. So png file is equal to that, I want to put the city.png, right? So plot the chart, and I want to for the pi type and x comma levels. Okay, x axis, these are things, and then 21 will be London, 62 like that. So if you run this program, file will be saved as what is the file name? File name city.jpg. Okay, if you run this and see it here, city.jpg, here you can see it here, city.jpg it is there. Okay, so it will come like this. Yeah, so this is the London, Mumbai, Singapore and New York, and this percentage, everything you can check it here, fine. So this is possible. And similar thing also, if you png2 you go for that, and the first one is over, then x is there, labels are there, same thing, city dot underscore title underscore color dot jpg. So what I am doing, the same pie chart I am plotting it here. Here they have given x labels, here the main city, I am going for the pie chart. Okay, I am going the pie chart, and color is equal to rainbow, length is equal to x, and also if you see the png, that is, this is the file name city underscore title underscore color, city underscore this. If you go back to here and csc, sorry, you go here and you go here, city underscore title colors, you double click here, you will find rainbow color, different colors are there also, all the names are also, it is appearing perfectly, right? So this is possible. Then we go back here, and figure number 3, if you put it here, PNG file bar I am to create a bar chart. Okay, H is there, M is there. So PNG file bar chart underscore month revenue dot PNG. So you go for the bar plot H, all the values given, and main is equal to revenue chart, and border is equal to red, like that I given dev. So using all the things, if you go for the PNG, what is the file name? The file name will be bar chart underscore month, bar chart underscore month. So if you come on here and see bar chart underscore month, bar chart underscore month and revenue, so that you can see here also it is coming. This is the month and the revenue for the month of March, April, May. Like that you can see you are able to plot all things fine. So like this you can do a number of things. Number of things you can do it here. I by mistake close that one. Then we can go for, you have drawn this one, the bar chart, right? So then I am going for this thing, histogram. This was I think the okay, I have bar chart, this one done. So suppose you want to do this one, that is the color, month, region, and all things are there, and values is equal to all the things I have given. PNG file is equal to bar chart stacked.png. So plot values main plot. So all the things if you do it here, bar chart stacked.png, run this, and bar tag stacked.png. So this is not the thing, and this is not the thing also. So what you need to do, I have to go for the this one, and I think we go for the C drive, and users CSVVC, and here you can see all these things what you have done. Bar chart stacked, in the bar chart stacked you can clearly see. So the month here, in the west, east, and north, all the things what is the revenue it is collected. So everything it has also done in details, like this you can do also fine. So similarly, if you go for the create a histogram, so here V is given something, for that you have to create the histogram of that one, right? So in the histogram, V versus X lab, okay, V is given, and X lab which is equal to the weight, okay. So color is equal to yellow and border is equal to blue. So if you run it, so what is the file name? File name histogram.png. You can go back here and see the histogram.png, ABCD histogram.png, that you run it here. You can clearly see the histogram here also, right? Histogram. So like this, all type of graphs and plots also you can do using this thing. And here also you have done histogram underscore lim breaks.png, different colors, different files will be there also. Similarly, so we are going for this empty cars. This is a standard database, it is given there. So suppose I want to run this one. So empty cars, weight and mpg mileage, that I put it here in the input, okay. So print the input head means first 6 rows. So it is coming weight mpg, first 6 rows is coming like this. Then input empty cars, see this thing, give the chart file for the name. So scatterplot.png. If I want to plot this one, how it looks, it will come scatterplot.png. If you run this one, so x lab you are giving weight, and y lab you are giving mileage. So limit is equal to this one you are giving, and main is weight versus mileage, okay. So save is okay, you the name is, you understand, that is scatterplot.png. So if you see this scatterplot.png, GHIJKLMNOP QRS, scatter plot, right? The scatter plot.png, you see things are scattered, okay. You can see the weight versus mileage and weight versus mileage. The scatter plot is also, it is possible, we can draw it here. So all these codes you can get it from me, and you can do it here. Similarly, empty cars, I am putting AMs, cylinder, HP, weight, etc., that you put to input, and using this formula and all things, family binomial. If you go for these things, from this also you can calculate all this estimated standard deviation, error, z value, and all the things you can get it there, okay. So the number of divisions, etc., you can put it here. Now another thing is that, so you put the dot path and the anaconda library, I put it there, path I put it there. Then if I want to run this one, install.package ggplot2, because I want to use this ggplot2. So then I run this one, ggplot2 also, it has successful run here. Then install package lubricate this one, install this thing. It is successfully also installed. You can see it here, and using all the things you can library ggplot2, library libredat, and library ggplot2, all the things you can do it here, and you can run this program, and you can see install the package tdverse. So more or less we have seen almost all the things what you want to implement using our R programming we can do. And as I told you that we can do all this data science related either using this R programming or using this convolutional neural network or all the some of the so different algorithms. So this is very handy and needy for all the students who are going for the data science and especially related to computer science. So if you like this video, please do share with your friends, and also you need the coding also, I'll be able to share with you all. Just send a SMS to me, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.